Hey friends, I'm Tasia, and this video will show you how to quickly create email templates in Gmail to save time. I basically live in Gmail, so any time-saving hacks are super useful to me. So if you find yourself spending a lot of time in Gmail as well, and maybe you're creating the same type of emails or the exact same email responses every time, you can quickly create templates to save you time. Now, creating templates has to be done on the web. It can't be done on mobile. And if you guys want any other Gmail tips, I have a whole ton of them linked down in the description below, and I'll put some cards up at the end as well. So here's how to create email templates in Gmail. From your Google account, click the gear icon and select Settings. From here, click on Advanced. Check if you have templates set to enable, and if not, just toggle that on. Now you're all set to create a template. You can do so by composing a new email or just by replying to an email. Simply type out the most common emails you find yourself composing. Now, a quick tip here that's important. If you have an email signature enabled, you'll want to remove it from the template you're creating, or else it's going to duplicate the signature when you use that template later on. So once you have the email written exactly as you'd like, click on More Options. It's those three vertical dots beside the trash bin. If you hover your mouse over templates, you'll see you have some more options here. You'll want to hover over Save Draft as Template. Then select Save as New Template. Here, you'll enter your new template name. Then click Save. Now you're all set to use a template. So to use a template you've created from your Compose window, just head to that same three vertical dots, the Options section, and hover your mouse over Templates again, and select the template you want to use. And to delete a template you no longer need, that's found in this same Templates section. So hover over Delete Templates and select the template you want to delete, and then just click Delete on the pop-up. It's really that simple. And now I want to hear from you. What are some time-saving tips that you guys use for Gmail? Let everybody know in the comments below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, I want to know, so give it a like, a share, or leave a comment below. You can click right about here to subscribe to my channel, and somewhere up here for some more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.